Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. I start by applying my product prep to dehydrate my nail, and if you don't have any, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. Now I am applying my nail foam to the nail, so I'm going to be building a nail tip using the nail foam and the powder liquids. Next, I'm just placing 3 layers of clear dip powder to build the structure of the nail. So I apply base to the nail and wherever on the nail foam I'd like the length of the nail to be, and then I poured the dip powder on the nail. So I did about 3 layers of that. Now I apply base to the nail bed area and a little bit of the nail foam. So I'm making my own nail bed French smile line. Elongating the nail bed a little, and I'll be using Revel Nail Ensemble dip powder, and I pour the dip powder on the nail. Then I'm using my French smile line cutter to shape the nail a little. I had to use it on the other side because I'm not using a nail tip, so the surface is a bit round as opposed to being flat, and it worked. So I did about 3 layers, or could be more, I forgot. I believe it was more than 3, but this was a while ago. As you can see, I'm using my old camera in this video, so I can't really remember. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Then I apply activator and wait it for the nail to harden so that I can file the nail bed area to get a more curved smile line. Now I'm going to be doing a 3-color ombre, so I'm using Rosalind Milky White dip powder and Homost blue dip powder and glitter blue dip powder. So I start off with the white and blue dip powder. I just applied base to the nail and then I did the tap method ombre. So I believe I did 2 or 3 layers with only the 2 dip powders, and then on the 3rd layer I believe I incorporated the glitter at the smile line area. And when doing the ombre with the glitter, I ensured to use the glitter first, since I noticed when I use the glitter after I've already used the solid color, it leaves a harsh line. For example, when using the white and the blue dip powder only, on the first layer I used the white dip powder first and then the blue second, and then on the second layer I used the blue dip powder first and then the white. However, when I included the glitter dip powder, I always started with the glitter first and whatever color dip powder after. I believe I only did 2 layers with the glitter dip powder, so I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. Now I encapsulated the nail with a few layers of clear dip powder. I encapsulated the tip area a little more to build it up since the nail bed area was already built up to a point. It should have been built up a little more because I kind of filed into it a little. It's not that noticeable, but I can see it, so pretend you don't see it if you do see it, okay? Then I applied activator to the nail and waited for it to harden so that I can file the nail. Looking at the nail now, this really should have been built up a little more. It looks way too flat. Shame on me. I should know better. This is after filing of the nail. Now I'm using some butterfly stickers that I got from Born Pretty and I apply them off camera. Now I apply some Mother One's gel glue and gel top coat to the nail and cure it for 30 seconds. The reason why I placed gel glue is to give the nail that extra layer so that the stickers wouldn't feel textured. Then I applied cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of this nail design in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.